Oh, hey there. Just cleaning my gutters real quick. You should probably do that too. Dirty gutters can cause a slew of issues such as leaks that can affect the interior and exterior of your home, as well as poor drainage, which can affect your foundation. And while I'm at it, let me show you a couple of other home maintenance items that usually get ignored. Hey guys, I'm on the inside of my house right now and I got a leaky faucet here and I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, so this faucet, actually the hot water side, is dripping water. It's just like a constant drip all the time. And the way you fix that in this particular faucet is there's a cartridge that you replace. This is the one for this particular faucet. This part is about 10 bucks. And the faucet itself is maybe about 60 to 80 bucks. So this is going to be quite a savings here. So all you do is unscrew this faucet handle here for the hot side, because that's what we're working with. And then there is a ring that you unscrew here. And this cartridge, you just take it out. Get some pliers. This one came out pretty easy. They can be a little bit hard. So anyway, now let's put the new one in. I don't think I mentioned this, but you want to start by shutting off the water. You can go underneath your sink and just shut off each valve. You can shut off the one in particular that you know is doing it, or you can shut off both of them. But make sure that you shut off the water, or you're going to have a big mess on your hands. Okay, so let's install the new part. There's only one way it can go in. So it's just a plug and play. We go straight down. And you might have to force it a little bit. I'm actually going to get my pliers here so I can push down on it properly. There it is. Okay, put the ring back on. Make sure to tighten it down good. Now put this faucet handle back on. I said it was easy. Give me a second. All right. I got my stuff together now. So you push this down, make sure it's all lined up correctly, and then screw it back down. Nice and tight. Okay. Here we go. We got it. Okay. Now turn the water back on. Yeah. Ready? Look at that. We got it. That's fixed. Next problem. Something you can do to improve the performance of your AC condenser is to clean out the unit and rinse out the coils. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. We're going to start by turning off the system at the thermostat. The next thing I want to do is shut off the power that's right here in the disconnect that's by my condenser. I'll start by removing the top grate and fan assembly. There's usually only a few screws holding this in place. Once I get it loose, you want to prop it up in place and just be careful not to damage the fan or the condenser itself or even the grate. Once it's propped up into place, we can start cleaning out the inside of the unit. Here's the inside of my unit. It's actually not that bad because I do maintain it from time to time. Now just get out the old shop vac and vacuum out any debris that I find inside the unit. Next, I grab a water hose with an adjustable nozzle and I use the full setting, not stream, because the coils are fragile and they could damage easily. And I just spray out the inside of the unit from the inside out. The components of your AC condenser are pretty used to being wet, so it's not a big problem, but I do suggest, since we saturated it, to let it dry a little bit before actually turning it back on. In the meantime, I have this area where the refrigerant line and electricity run inside the house, and some of the caulking and sealant has deteriorated, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in so that nothing can get in there and get inside my house. Thanks for watching today's video on home maintenance. Don't forget I am a home inspector. If you need a home inspection, please call and schedule your appointment today.